So we recently installed one of these electronic diverter valves to the F66 JCW, but we have since found out that the LCI 56 cars, which is this one behind me, do also make use of the very same part. So we're getting this installed today, and hopefully we can get some good noise out of the previous gen F56 as well. I'm excited to see what it's like. Let's get it installed. So as you've seen, install is now complete. We've also been out on the road and done a little bit of a test, and I think you'll agree it sounds pretty special now with that nice chirping blow-off valve. We're very impressed with the way that this operates. Its whole purpose is to be able to give the turbo more sort of response and reactivity. So when you're coming off the throttle in between gear changes, this is a manual car, it's going to pick up sooner, it's going to give more throttle response. And the same can be said for auto cars as well. There still needs to be a bit of off the throttle time between gear changes, as well as when you are maybe pushing a little bit harder, you have the ability to obviously get on and off the throttle and give you that response that you need. It's also a much more robust part as well. The original piece you've seen there is just plastics. It's not the most sturdy, whereas this is a nice billet aluminium piece and it looks amazing, as well as the quality is really good. So on the fitment, as you've seen on the video, this is quite involved. It's not the most complicated thing, it's just very fiddly. So it's a couple hours worth of work getting into the area where you need to be, unless you're suspended from the ceiling like our man Tom Cruise from Mission Impossible. You're not going to be able to easily access that section. We do have a feeling, however, left-hand drive vehicles might be a little bit easier to be able to get access in the arch area, just because the steering section will be on the other side of the car, and obviously all the turbo is on the driver's side here in the UK. So this is a LCI 2 specific part, as well as fitting the new F66 Mini. So this is a Cooper S and a JCW part. If you've got a, sadly, LCI 1 or pre-LCI car, it's not going to work. It does not have the same setup. So this will be from March 2021 onwards cars. That's really important. If it looks like this, in standard setup at least, it should work. If you have any queries, obviously drop us a message and we'll be happy to check for you. This is available on our website to purchase. We put a link in the description, so if you guys want to purchase this, you can go directly. But as a whole, we're really pleased with this particular product. I think it fits very nicely. It operates seamlessly. There's many benefits that I've just mentioned. And as well, this is a bit of a world's first for Forged Motorsport. They've won awards for this particular part. So it operates very, very well. And as I said, the quality is absolutely fantastic. It's also packaged really nicely. I know it's a little nerdy thing, but I love a really good box, and having a nice little keychain and so on is quite cool. So we're really pleased with how this has turned out, much like the rest of the product from Forge. They are all fantastic. Only one last thing to close on. This car has got a Forged Motorsport resonator delete pipe, so the hard pipe here, as well as a different air intake. It also has some different boost pipes and also a different intercooler, as well as an exhaust system that we've installed on this. It's a bit of a longer project, this particular car. So what you just need to bear in mind is it's had a few other upgrades, so the noise that you might hear may be slightly different to what you might see on your own personal car, just depending on the other hardware setups that you have installed already. So that's just worth keeping in mind, but it's a very definitive blow-off noise that you hear from this electronic diverter valve. So as said, operates seamlessly, is available from Carbonwurks. If you have any questions, get in touch. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. All the best.